Robux Sistemanet Roblox pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've been hunting for free Robux online, you might have stumbled across Robux Sistemanet, and the surprising truth is most people get this wrong by thinking it's a legitimate source. Robux Sistemanet claims to generate free Robux for your account by asking you to input your username and complete simple tasks. But here's the catch. There's no official connection to Roblox. The website does deliver currency, and it may steal personal data or compromise your account. You won't believe how quickly users can lose access if they enter login details. What you get: the promise of free in-game currency. What you give up or risk: your account, personal information, and device security. No amount of tasks will deliver Robux safely outside official Roblox channels. Here's how to protect yourself. Step 1. Always verify that the source is officially affiliated with Roblox. Step 2. Never provide login details to third-party sites. Step 3. Use official methods to purchase Robux through Roblox itself. Step 4. Report suspicious websites if you encounter them. Prevention helps others avoid scams. Most people think free Robux is harmless, but the real cost can be devastating: hacked accounts, stolen personal information, and wasted time. The surprising truth is that free often comes at a price far higher than money. In conclusion, avoid shortcuts like Robux Sistemanet. Stick to legitimate platforms and protect your account. Your peace of mind and game security are worth far more than chasing free Robux. Always think twice before trusting unverified offers.